student, we will study for the topic of nutrition in plants for class 7. The topic is role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun and supplies this energy to the leaves to enable them to carry out photosynthesis for making food. This is diagram of chlorophyll seen by microscope. These all are called chlorophyll. This is air spaces, stomata, and this one is guard cells. Second topic is the role of sunlight in photosynthesis. The sun's energy is captured by plant leaves with the help of chlorophyll and converted into chemical energy of food. Thus, solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Leaves of various colors. The leaves other than green also have chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown and other pigments mask the green color. Photosynthesis takes place in these also. These are different type of these are different color of leaves. Photosynthesis by algae. Further topic is photosynthesis by algae. Algae contain chlorophyll and produce food by photosynthesis just like plants. Algae, however, differ from plants because they do not have proper roots, stems and leaves. Synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. The plants use the simple carbohydrate glucose to make many other foods such as oils, proteins and vitamins. First one is plants make starch as food. Some of the simple carbohydrate glucose made by the plant through photosynthesis is converted naturally into a complex carbohydrate called starch. Example is seeds of wheat, rice, potato and carrot. Plants store a lot of starch in their roots. Second topic is plants make oils as food. Certain plants convert the simple carbohydrate glucose made during photosynthesis into oils and store them in their seeds. Such seeds are called oil seeds and give us oil for cooking food. Example, sunflower. Third one is plants make protein as food. In addition to carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, proteins also contain nitrogen element. Plants combine some of the glucose carbohydrate made during photosynthesis with nitrate minerals to make amino acids which are then made into proteins. Fourth one is plants make vitamins as food. Vitamins are highly complex substances which are an important part of our food. Vitamins are made by plants. Example, it is present in vegetables, fruits and cereals. Further topic is importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is important for the existence of life on this earth. In the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on the earth. Photosynthesis by plants provides food to animals. The process of photosynthesis by plants puts oxygen gas into the air. Other modes of nutrition in plants. All the heterotrophic plants can be divided into two main groups. First one is parasites and second one is saprophytes. First one is parasites. A plant or animal which lives on or inside another organism called host and derives the food from it is called a parasite. Example, Cuscuta mistoldi. इसको पढ़ ले अपन. Sorry, it's Cuscuta. Bedbugs, leeches, mosquitoes. Bedbugs, leeches, mosquitoes. This is diagram of parasite. Cuscuta plant, parasite. This is Cuscuta plant and this one is host plant or host tree. Second one is saprophytes. Those non-green plants which obtain their food from dead and decaying organic matter are called saprophytes. Example, mushrooms, bread mold, yeast. This is diagram of saprophytes. Okay, your topic is over. We will study further topic in the next class. Thank you.